How to find storage and data settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find storage and data settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and here you can manage it, and then just manage anything you want and go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.